Morning, all of you. Today I want to talk to you about coronavirus. What is coronavirus? So let's start. Myself, Tanmay Sharma. I study in St. Anselm Senior Secondary School, Ajmer. First, we will talk about what is COVID-19 and how can we protect ourselves. A new virus called the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2 SARS-CoV-2 was identified as the cause of a disease outbreak that began in China in 2019. The disease is called Coronavirus Disease 2019 or COVID-19. In March 2020, the World Health Organization WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic. Public health groups including the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention CDC and WHO, these groups have also issued recommendations for preventing and treating the illness. Next, we will talk about how does COVID-19 spread. Data has shown that it spreads from person to person among those in close contacts within about 6 feet or 2 meters. The virus spreads by respiratory droplets released when someone infected with the virus coughs, sneezes, or talks. What are symptoms of COVID-19? COVID-19 symptoms can be very mild to severe and include a fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Some people have no symptoms. Symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. Now next we will talk about can COVID-19 be prevented or treated. No vaccine isn't currently available for the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. No antiviral medication is recommended to treat COVID-19. Treatment is directed at relieving symptoms. Next, we'll talk about what can we do to avoid becoming ill. WHO and CDC recommend following these precautions for avoiding COVID-19. Avoid large events and mass gatherings. Avoid close contact within about 6 feet or 2 meters with anyone who is sick or has symptoms. Keep distance between yourself and others. If COVID-19 is spreading in your community, especially if you have a higher risk of serious illness, wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover your mouth and nose with your elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Throw away the used tissue. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Clean and disinfect surfaces you often touch on a daily basis. If you have a chronic medical condition and may have a higher risk of serious illness, check with your doctor about other ways to protect yourself. Now next we will talk about should we wear a mask. The CDC recommends wearing cloth on face covering in public areas such as the grocery store, where it's too hard to avoid close contacts with others. It's especially suggested in areas with ongoing community spread. This update advice is based on data showing that people with COVID-19 can transmit the virus before they realize they have it. Using masks in public may help reduce the spread from people who don't have symptoms. No medical cloth masks are recommended for the public. Surgical masks and N95 respirators are in short supply and should be reserved for healthcare providers. Now next we will talk about can we travel. If you are planning to travel, first check for travel advisories. You also may want to talk with your doctor if you have health conditions that make you more susceptible to respiratory infections and complications. Now next and last we will talk about what can we do if we are ill with COVID-19. Take the following precautions to avoid spreading the illness. First, stay home from work, school and public areas except to get medical care. Second, avoid taking public transportation if possible. Isolate yourself as much as possible from others in your home. Use separate bedroom and bathroom if possible. Avoid sharing your dishes, glasses and other household items. I think you like my information about coronavirus. So I am requesting you, please stay home, stay safe. I think you like my information. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Astrologer Ravindra.